Hi everybody, it's Snuck, and today I'm at Royal Heights. Everybody. Hey y'all. I want to go.
Before you go, wait, do you have
Bye,
a hater?
Jordan.
Do you have a hater? Oh, I'm gonna make you fly. Wait, how do you jump?
Getting her.
What are you doing? Stop jumping!
Yeah, people, we're going to Royal Heights.
Oh yeah, go to there.
Royal High School. Give him a shot.
Wait, are you a princess? Okay.
Guard.
Where are the guards? Wait, tell your guards to attack your hater.
Guards, time to go.
Wait, where are your guards? Where are the guards? Where are the guards?
Pass.
Go past what?
Here.
Wait, is that... Wait. Are you trying to sneak into the school? Are you trying to sneak into the school?
Yes, I snuck into school.
Wait, you did? Wait, you snuck in?
Ha ha ha.
Stop.
Stop.
1 minute.
What the? Hey, you guys, and today it's 6 o'clock.
Wait, is this a video?
Yeah, this is.
No music right now.
No, just no. Thank God.
Oh, what the heck? A water fritz. There's a water fritz here. This guy's weird. He's following me. Eh. This guy's following me. Watching cheating.
I'm like,
Yeah. What the heck? You name it. Yeah.
One of my best friends.
What the heck? They just erased. Tell me, Bob.
is this your room?
Is it your room?
Yeah, this is my room. Well, let's go get ready.
What did happen to me?
Let's go over what happened.
I've nobody even has a name on this game. What? What are we even supposed to do?
I have no idea.
Just jump around? Wait, steal all the snacks and stuff.
This is weird.
Or did you steal all the drinks?
This is weird.
Aren't you thirsty or something?
No, the name of the punch name is not even on here. What is going on with the punch? Punch is not working. What the?
Eat.
Mine. Yes, mine. Marshmallow mine.
Wait, did you just stick that in your ear?
Ew.
Go get some more cake or something.
Cookie.
Wait, did you eat that all? Wait, why are you sticking it in your ear?
What the heck? You're sticking it in my ear? I'm not gonna try to stick it in my
No,
ear.
drink it.
What the heck?
Let's see what happens when you drink stuff.
Oh my God, you guys, what is going on? This is weird. What is going on with this stuff?
Wait, I think I can do a cool dance.
Wait. You dance.
You dance.
You dance. What the? That's crazy.
It doesn't even respond.
Yes, it finally worked.
That means everything else works.
Oh, please tell me what to. That's safety. Hi everybody. Oh, we're here. I thought they actually took I thought they actually took my stuff out. No music. Oh my God. Oh, this is crazy.
It's like everything's deleted.
Yeah, it's kind of like everything's weird. I thought Tell Me Bob deleted the. That was so creepy. The most creepiest server ever.
No, thank you. Do it. I have a mermaid tattoo. There you go. Ready to go. What? Just fix your everything? What? Are you crazy? Who said that? Just fix your everything.
Is this yours?
No, that's not not Mr. Alyssa. Oh, whoa. And us not.
How can this fly?
I don't know. Maybe I'm using a space bar. Oh, diamond. Oh, I just talked to Aqua's mom. And I hope she can. Oh, hi. This is Aqua's
There's a
mom.
diamond behind you.
Aqua's mom. How have you been doing? Oh my god.
Why should he have so many? Why is he Miss Alyssa?
Hello.
Alyssa's
Come in.
his sister.
Hello. Hello. Well, yes. Are you a ghost? No. Yes, I am. Huh. What has been going on with your daughter? Well, she got F's in her report card. What? Oh, I'm gonna ground her. Okay. You B word? Oh, instead of B word. What's going on with people? Come on, sit down. Sit down, Aqua's mother. Okay, Miss Alyssa. Whatever you say. So, your daughter got an F, and she's been skipping school. Oh, what? Skipping what? School. She's been skipping school? Tell me to get her right away. Okay. Now, I'll see you later. Bye, Miss Alyssa. I'll go talk to my daughter. Bye. Have a good day.
Your daughter?
I'm disguising as Miss Alyssa. So, your daughter. Oh, Aqua, your mom's coming. Uh-oh, my mom. I hope she does not find out about my grades. I'm pretty sure she did. Water. Aqua. Oh my god, I'm in big trouble. What if she finds out? Aqua! Mom, hi. Well, I heard. Get in your door now. I heard your grade. Get in here. Shut the door. Okay, Mom. I'll go in and shut the door. You have got an F. You know what that means? You were failing in your classes and doing nothing. Now get this each year. You have been failing your grades all day. Now Now get over here right now. Get your stuff and get to bed. You're grounded. God, I'm grounded. What am I gonna do? Ugh, oh my god, how am I gonna stay in my room? My mom said I'm not allowed to go to the dance. But maybe I can sneak to the dance.
Sneak out.
Ugh, sneaking out is good. Now let's go. We'll be right back. Yes, I am now ready to go to the dance. Aqua, you better not be going to that dance. Yes, Mom. I have to leave now. Bye, Mom. Oh, yes, I am. Everything we're gonna do is gonna be sneaking out to that dance. Let's be a princess. Stab people. Now, we're sneaking out to that dance. No matter what. Nobody can stop me from sneaking. Let's go. Uh, I snuck out to the dance. My mom just called me. I was going. She said that I was grounded. And she said I was not allowed to go to the dance. I could not believe my mom told me that I'm not allowed to go to the dance anymore. What are we gonna do?
Things are smiling into a frown.
What did I do? God. Oh my God, the dance not her.
Oh.
Yes!
You Miss Mimi? You mean Miss Mimi?
No.
Oh. Wait, so Miss Mimi's your mom and Miss Mimi's on here?
No. I made her account. And made her look good. I'm at the dance and I snuck to the dance.
Do you like the music?
Yep, it's kind of fancy. I snuck to the dance and I snuck to the dance. If my mom finds out that I snuck, yes, I snuck to the dance. Yeah, people, I snuck out. Oh, better get out of here. Aqua, why do I hear ballroom music? No, that's just my dance classes. Don't lie, Aqua. Where's that girl? If that girl does not come home to me. Oh, let's get out of here. If she finds out that I was at the dance, then I'll be in big trouble. Aqua was at the dance. Ugh. Let me go get that girl.
Such a creep.
Cannot believe my mom just found out. Uh-huh. Oh, I cannot believe I just snuck out to the dance. My mom's gonna be so mad at me. I cannot believe I did that and I abandoned her. I hope she does not know that I did that. Let's just pretend like we were asleep the whole time. Cause she already knows because of that.
I see a diamond.
Let's get that. Now let's. I cannot believe I abandoned my mom like that. I hope my mom doesn't find out. No. I'm talking in Warrior High with this girl Snuck. Yeah. In Warrior High, I snuck to the ballroom, and my mom almost found out, but she doesn't even know that her mom found out. It's like, I hope she didn't find out that what I did. And she told me not to go to the dance.
Is this your pencil?
So she hurries home. Oh my God! I better go home. What did I do? Well, God, what did I just do? That was a bad idea. Let's leave this place. Ha! Aqua! Mom? I know what you did, young lady. You abandoned me and went to the dance. I didn't know you were gonna find out. I told you not to go to that ball, and you did it anyway. I'm sorry, Mom. I won't do it again. No, you're grounded. For a day. Okay, Mom. Good. Now go to bed. Good night. Good night, sweetie. Good night. I'll go to bed. I hope you guys. Hey everybody, thanks for watching and welcome back. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you're comfortable with this. But you guys know that you can just comment down below and just subscribe. If you even like this, then go watch it. I think you guys enjoyed.